If you're able to prime your machine with paint, but no liquid is coming out of the nozzle, there are a few things to try. Firstly, check the condition of the paint. Due to the extremely fine atomization of the Linemark nozzles, paint which has been sitting for some time and has not been properly redispersed will not flow completely through the system. Whether it is a bottle or a bag, the principles are the same. Holding the container, shake in a circular motion for at least 30 seconds. Then, dip the probe into the container and remove it. If the paint has naturally fallen from the probe and it is clear, then the paint is ready for use. If there is still a thick layer of paint on the probe, reattach the lid and shake in a circular motion once more. Once you've checked the paint is properly mixed, check that the battery is fully charged. The voltage should be between 12 or 13 volts when connected to a multimeter. Next is to change to a brand new nozzle. This can be done by unscrewing the nozzle a quarter turn from the mount and pulling downwards. Remove the filter and the black O-ring, ensuring they're kept safe. Push the old nozzle down out of the mount and replace with the new nozzle. Once in place, ensure that the filter and the black O-ring are also reinstalled. Attach back to the mount and secure with a quarter turn. If this does not solve the issue, check the diaphragm check valve or DCV located near the nozzle. Unscrew the cap and check the washer inside for any holes or tears. If you've completed both of these steps and there's still no paint being dispersed from the machine, the next step is to disassemble the pump and replace the check valve. This is covered in the How to Service a Machine film.